Alright guys, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to start to slice my mangoes so I can get to put them in the blender. Alright, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I know it's been a minute, but I'm back. Had some little challenges, life happens, ups and down challenges. But guess what? I'm back. And today, what I'm going to do some fruit drink. What I'm going to prepare? I'm going to prepare mango with ginger drink. All right? It's very simple. I'm just going to use straight fruits, and you guys going to tell me in the comment section what you think about it. If it's the first time here, welcome to D Nation. Welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. All right. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how I prepare this. All right. So let's go. Come on.
Yeah.
All right, guys. As you can see right now, I started the process of cleaning my gingers thoroughly. And right after that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them with my mango that's already in the sink and wash them thoroughly. All right, so take a look. All right, fantastic guys. Now as you can see right there, I starting to wash my mangoes and my gingers thoroughly. It's very important that you get these clean to start the next phase of the preparation. All right, take some time and make sure they are clean. All right guys, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to start to slice my mangoes so I can get to put them in the blender. All right, let's go. All right, the next phase of the process that I'm going through, guys, is I'm going to take the mangoes that I've sliced, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to create some cubes in how I slice them accordingly. All right, the reason why I'm doing this is to make the mangoes easy to come out of the skin to go into the blender. Alright? A lot of people do it differently, but I choose to do it like this because for me, it's easy for the mango to get out. Alright guys, what you're seeing right here that I'm doing right now is to remove the skin from the seed, and then after I finish doing that, I'm going to take the seeds and put in a plastic container and put them up for another day to eat with my hands, because trust me, the seed is one of the best part of these mangoes. Trust me. Who knows? No. Alright, tell me what you think, guys. Do you believe that Julie mango is one of the best mangoes to have? Julie mango is my favorite. What say you? Alright guys, as you can see right here, I have my seeds over on the right hand side over here, mango seeds, and I have the skins that I peel off where I dice up, and right over here I have my ginger. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put them now into the blender and start the mixing process. Alright, let's go. Remember when I tell you guys that I'm going to dice up the mangoes inside of the skin so it can come out easily into the blender? This is what I mean. Just look at that, guys. Look really good. Now watch what I do. I'm just going to take my knife and I'm just going to slide them off right into the blender. Very easy to do. Anyone can do it. As I said before, this is how I do it. People do it differently, but you can try it and tell me what you think. Alright guys, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my gingers to my mangoes. Alright, and then I'm going to add some water. This is very important. I normally fill it halfway. The reason why I'm doing this is because I do not want my mango and ginger juice to be too thick, but also I don't want it to be too water as well. Hence, I half the blender jar. Alright. Just look at that, guys. Just look at the rich quality of the mango and ginger juice. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to strain it in a container, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my whisk and whisk it out so everything goes straight through strainer processing. Very important. Some people use spoon, but I choose to use whisk. Alright. Alright guys, now this is the second part of the continuation of the mango and ginger blend. Just look at that, guys. The richness of the mango and ginger juice. Hey, question. Did you guys know that mango is a source of natural fiber that your body needs? And also, did you know that ginger is very powerful in antioxidants? So that means what your body is getting from this juice is what your body needs. All natural. That's very important. Alright guys, now I'm giving it the final stir so everything can come together. Alright, as one. So give me a feedback and tell me what you think so far. Alright, now I'm going to give you the final presentation of my mango and ginger juice. Tell me what you think. Now if you watch this video till the end, give me a like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section, guys. Alright, and tell me what you think. Thank you for watching. See you guys on another vlog. And remember, turn on your notification bell and make sure you don't miss my next vlog. Alright, be blessed, guys.